What's up people? My name is Alvik and today's exercise science video is all about foam rolling. First, for those who's unfamiliar with foam rolling is a form of self-myofascial release, or SMR for short. It's often done with a roller, which comes in different materials and density, or with a rolling stick or a dense pressure ball. The goal of SMR and foam rolling is to put pressure on your muscles and fascia, which is the connective tissue that permeates the muscles. Doing so might release dermatitis in the fascia or muscle fibers, release both trigger points, and improve blood flow. Some of the benefits are improving flexibility. One study found that combining foam rolling with static stretching improved hip range of motion twice as much as stretching alone. Fascinatingly, rolling the bottom of your foot with a dense pressure ball ended up improving hamstring flexibility. Even more outstanding was foam rolling one of your legs actually benefits ankle mobility of the opposite leg. This might be explained by the enveloping nature of fascia, which interconnects throughout the entire body. Studies also show that SMR or foam rolling do not improve performance. However, it does improve recovery and soreness. In 2 of the articles reviewed, they found that foam rolling after 10 sets of squats was better able to attenuate muscle soreness. In other words, SMR is 100% great for improving mobility, improving soreness, and a hint of improving recovery, but it does not improve or inhibits performance. Some pointers of using foam rolling is foam rolling should never last more than 20 minutes. It should be around 10 to 20 minutes after an exercise to improve recovery and soreness. It's also best to foam roll 10 minutes before the exercise to re-up acute mobility benefits. Make sure you target one muscle at least 10 to 20 seconds long. The pressure should be moderately forceful, invoking tolerable pain. A medium dense of foam roller will work for majority of the larger muscles, groups like your hamstring, glutes, and your back. For smaller muscle groups, using a dense ball like a smaller ball can be helpful. Rolling stick can also be helpful. Granted, you must apply pressure on it. Thank you for watching my video.